Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. Make sure your Ps4 has the latest system update and that you know the exact SSID, password, and router encryption type. Next, reboot both the router and the Ps4 to clear transient network issues. This often restores hidden SSIDs. Once done, check the router's guest network and 4 GHz versus 5 GHz bands. Ps4 prefers stable 4 GHz for range. Also note your Ps4 MAC address so you can whitelist it in the router if needed. You'll now configure the Ps4 network step by step. Go to Settings Network, set up Internet connection, and choose Wi-Fi, then Custom. Manually pick the correct SSID to avoid hidden duplicates, and type the password while matching the router's security mode so authentication succeeds. For advanced settings, use MTU 1473 or 1500 and set DNS to Google's 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4 if automatic DNS fails. This resolves many name resolution issues. Finally, save. Once you've tested the connection, finish by confirming the router broadcasts the SSID and that no MAC filtering or parental controls block the Ps4. Add the Ps4 MAC address to the router's allowed list if required. If the Ps4 still cannot find the network, manually add the network name and security type on the console and try again. As a final troubleshooting tip, power cycle the router for 30 seconds and, if problems persist, rebuild the Ps4 database in safe mode. This fixes software-level network scanning issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.